Minasan, konnichiwa, Samurai Engineer desu. In this video, we'll go now to the problem number 2. So what is that problem? Let's take a look. So please bear with our videos because we are experiencing technical difficulties. We have very slow internet connection. So actually, I redo all of this because uh, the audio and the video do not fit at the same time. So we repeatedly re-edit and uh, retook the video. So please bear with us. So now we have number 2, which states that we have the center of the circle at 2, 5. Okay. So we have the center of the circle at 2, 5. So C, 2, 5. Okay. So we need at least 2 given information out of the 3 important traits of a circle. What are the 3 important traits of the circle? Center, point P, and radius. Point P are any points in the curve of the circle. Okay? So, if we are given at least 2 of these 3 information, we can solve the equation of the circle. So, in this case, we are given the center and the point P. So, that's okay. We can solve the equation. The point P is located at -6 and -1, as you can see on number 2. Okay? So, that is -6, -1. So, we have 2 given information, center and point P. So, that is okay. That is okay. So, we can solve. Let us again start with the equation format. What is the equation format of the circle as the conic section? Circle as the conic section, we have the following format. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, wherein r is the radius and is actually the distance. R is the distance, radius is the distance from the circle, from the center to the point P. So distance from this point to this point. How can we compute that? Recall our distance formula. What is the distance formula? Square root of something. Okay? That is for the distance. But we are not interested in distance. We are interested in distance squared. So we don't need to get the square root. We don't need to get the square root because we just need r squared. Okay? R squared is equal to x1 minus x2 plus squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Okay? So here, what is the x1? This one. x1, x2. So 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6, that is 8. Squared, squared. Okay? Squaring 8 squared, that is 64. How about plus y1, y2? What is y1? What is y2? y1 is 5, y2 is -1. So 5 minus 1, minus, that is positive. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Squared, squared. So 6 squared is 36. Therefore, 64 plus 36, that is equal to 100. And 100 is equal to r squared, which is equal to that. Okay? So, immediately, we can plug into the standard form of the equation, which is this one. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared is equal to 100. Okay, and this is our answer. Okay, again, this is Dr. DrEYPEI preaching engineering for nation building. Please wait for our next problem.